Okay, welcome back to another Faster Fix. Today we're going to be installing Windows on VirtualBox. Last video we set up the VirtualBox manager for the installation of Windows. We went through making sure we had 8 gigs of memory, 6 processors. It depends on how many you have on your operating system. And the other thing I changed was I made sure that this was optimized for a solid state drive. The rest of it I kept basic and standard. So we started up the virtual machine and we're now at this window. So let's go ahead and close these. The installation is pretty simple. Click next, install, and then you are going to wait for the setup to start. Once the setup starts, we are going to be selecting the ability to not do an upgrade but do a clean install. If you get to this screen, put that you don't have a product key, because unless you do, I don't. So I wanted to install the home version because I think I have one of those keys. So next, accept, custom install, and then next. Windows will do all the hard lifting in the background and set up the partitions it needs and grab all the data it needs. Now we're good. So let's see what she wants next. Oh, yes, this is where I'm at. Nope. Okay, here they want you to sign into a Microsoft account. I don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account. To sign in with an offline account, you first have to attempt to create an online account. So this is what I was looking for. You want to do an offline account. That way we're not syncing with Windows and Microsoft and all that other fun stuff. And they still try and get you to sign up with their stuff. So you click down here to limited experience, which is not limited, it's still Windows. Type in your name, type in a password, repeat that password, answer your questions, answer that other question, answer that third question. And sure. Okay, so now we're at the Windows desktop. As you see, it's still pretty small. So what we need to do is install the VirtualBox Guest Editions. It's pretty simple. Click on Devices, click on Insert Guest Editions. See the image. Oh, I couldn't find it, so let's download it. So we're going to download it. Download. So you see, it's pretty much a one-click operation. Now you want to insert that drive into the drive inside the virtual machine. Run the executable. Click on yes. Next. Install that. Let it go through its installation. And you'll need to reboot. Okay. After the reboot, sign back in. And it still will be a small screen, but this is where the magic happens. So you want to make sure that you have the VirtualBox extensions installed. confirm that they installed correctly. You'll see that by this right here. We do have our guest editions, so now we want to make sure we can get a bigger screen. Come up here, and you want to make sure kind of force this to readjust. I did that by clicking on this once, clicking on it twice, kind of forces it to restart. There you go. Yep. So we go here and go to full screen mode. Windows inside Linux. Thank you for your time.